to Chinese Parrot. Today, we will keep on learning initial consonants. Do you think the Chinese culture is interesting after learning the former lessons? This time, we are going to learn the rest part of it. This part will be a little special. Let's learn it now. The first one is Z. Z. The pronunciation of Z is just as same as Z from back. Z. Z. When you pronounce it, the tip of the tongue is against the back of the upper incisors to block the airflow. But let the weaker airflow break through the tip of the tongue and squeeze out the friction sound from a narrow slit. Okay, let's pronounce it one more time. Z, Z. The second one is zh, zh. Add h to z, which we have just learned, is zh. Zh is pronounced the same as zh in French. Zh, zh. The tip of the tongue is curled up against the front of the hard palate. Let the weak airflow break the tip of the tongue and extrude from a narrow slit, and form a sound by friction. Zh, zh. The third one is s, s. The pronunciation of s is just as same as s from cat. S, s. When you pronounce it, the tip of the tongue is against the back of the upper incisors to block the airflow. Let the strong airflow break through the tip of the tongue and squeeze out the friction sound from a narrow slit. Is it easy? Let's pronounce it one more time. S, s. The fourth one is ch, ch. Combine s with h is ch. Ch is pronounced the same as ch in church. Ch, ch. When pronounced ch, the tip of the tongue is curled up against the front of the hard palate. Let the strong airflow break the tip of the tongue and extrude from a narrow slit, and form a sound by friction. Please pay attention to the way on how it is pronounced. Let's practice it again. Ch, ch. The fifth one is s, s. S is pronounced the same as s in say. S, s. When you pronounce s, the tip of the tongue is close to the back of the upper incisors, leaving a narrow gap, and the airflow squeezes out from the narrow slit of the tongue, and the sound is formed by friction. Let's say s, s. As you can imagine, the sixth one is sh, sh. Add h to s to make the initial consonant sh. The pronunciation of sh is similar to sh from shape, but the Chinese initial consonant sh should be pronounced by warping your tongue more. Sh, sh. When you pronounce sh, Hold up the tip of your tongue, but leave a narrow slit to allow the airflow comes out from it. The sound is also formed by friction. Sh, sh. In Chinese consonants, s, s, s are called velate alveolar. Zh, sh, sh are called retroflexes. The differences between these two types should be paid attention to. The last one is r, r, just as r in right, but the shape of your mouth is not circle. It should be pronounced by curl the tip of your tongue backward and further. R, r. When pronounced r, the tip of the tongue is upturned, close to the front of the hard palate, leaving a narrow slit to let the airflow squeeze out from it by pronouncing it strongly. The sound is formed by friction with the vocal vibration. Please read after me. R, r. Let's review what we have learned today. Z, z, zh, zh, s, s, sh, sh, s, s, sh, sh, r, r. The homework for today is read and write the learned consonants. Okay, let's learn a new sentence by using what we have learned. 今天是星期四。今天是星期四 which means today is Thursday. 今天 means today. 是 means is, which we have learned just now. 星期四 means Thursday. We have also learned. 今天是星期四。今天是星期四。Have you got it? Until now, we've already finished the initial consonant. Thank you for everyone's companion. See you next time.